Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to sow some spring onion seeds. So basically I had some garlic growing in this container which I have harvested, and now I'm going to sow spring onion seeds. These are white Lisbon seeds and you can sow them from March to June, and we can harvest them from May to October depending on when we started them. So I'm starting them at the end of June, so I can expect a harvest somewhere in September. These spring or salad onion seeds have long white stems with bright green tops, and they are slow to bulb but very quick from seed to harvest. If you are planting them in the ground in rows, the two rows should be 23 centimeters apart from each other. But I'm going to plant them in this container which is quite big and round, and I have got a nasturtium plant growing here already, and I will train the nasturtium up against this fence. I have got a metal wire attached to the fence for this board. So I have loosened up the soil which was already in this container, and I have added more compost on the top to refresh the soil, and I have watered it already so it's nice and moist. So I have opened the package, and these are nice sized seeds so you can handle them easily. You can also start them in modules and transplant them at this point, but I am going to sow them directly. We still have plenty of time for them to germinate and grow. They can take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate, and basically I'm just putting them randomly 2 to 3 centimeters apart from each other, and that should be okay. After putting all the seeds in, I am pressing the soil. They are in place so they don't dislodge when watered. And basically that's all for starting your spring onion seeds. You can start them in batches, like for continuous harvest. You can start them after every 3 weeks. And now I'm going to add a little bit more soil to cover them. And the last and most important step is to water them. So that's how you start your spring onion seeds. Very easy to grow and nice to harvest. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.